Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is William. I come from Loading Foreign Language Experimental School. Today, I would like to share my story with you. The title is The Mouse and the Lions Travel Around the World. The yellow lion Tom and the running lion Rocky wanted to travel around the world. They wanted to find a very comfortable place to live. So they traveled to the North Pole. It was their first stop. "Oh my God, it's too cold here," said Tom. "But I don't think so. I think it's just friendly. The humidity is too bad," Rocky answered. Then Rocky thought the North Pole was too cool for Tom, and maybe the forest would be more comfortable. So they traveled to a forest. Look, the naughty Rocky was running. Suddenly, he was caught with a net. "Ouch! Who catches me with this terrible net? Help me, Tom! Let me out!" He was nearly mad, and then he saw Mouse and Acorn. It was him. "Naughty Rocky, what about staying in the net? You enjoy it, right?" "It's so funny," giggled Acorn. "Hold on, Rocky, I'm coming." Tom was running towards them and shouted. Then Acorn took Rocky into a big classroom. Tom chased them with his mouth, but they were hiding under a desk. Tom couldn't find them. "Cool, it's a secret place. You can't find us," Acorn whispered. "Where are you, Rocky?" "Oh no, Tom is getting closer and closer. I should live here," Acorn said to himself. So Acorn took Rocky into his house and hit him on the tea table. He wanted to hit himself too, but it was too late. Tom hit the door, ran into the room. "I got you, Acorn. Where is Rocky? Tell me now." Tom shouted at Acorn angrily. "Oh no, please don't beat me. Rocky's on the tea table, and it's just a joke. I want to be your friend, please."